Good morning or good afternoon, first graders, depending on when you are watching this video and doing your e-learning. I have our read aloud for today, and as you know, we're still on deck of Woo Drive. And this week we have been reading about the adventures of Baby Lincoln. And when we last read together yesterday during our Zoom meeting at 10 o'clock, we learned that Baby Lincoln is very uncertain about this journey that she's embarking upon. But she went ahead and she had decided to go on this journey despite being nervous. And that is where we're going to pick up today in chapter 3. If you have a copy of this book, feel free to follow along right with us. Oh, said Stella, I like journeys. I have taken lots of journeys, but I'm not sure I've ever been on a necessary journey. Most of my journeys have been family journeys. And that means we all go together in the car, and my mother drives, and my father sleeps, and Frank navigates. When we are on family journeys, we eat in restaurants, and I always order a hot dog, and Frank doesn't order anything at all because he brings a supply of peanut butter cookies with him. He says that the peanut butter sandwich is infallible. Do you like peanut butter, Baby Lincoln? I do like peanut butter, said Baby. Now, I'm betting you guys have also been on some family journeys. Sounds like to me she's describing a vacation. She felt a little niggle of worry. She realized that she had not packed anything to eat. She moved her suitcase from one hand to the other. She felt the inimitable spigot slide around in the near emptiness. The thing about our journeys, said Stella, is that Frank is always the navigator. Always. I would like to hold the map sometimes. I would like to navigate, but I never get to. I understand, said Baby. Eugenia will never allow me to hold the map either. And I bet that, friends, that's the same reason that Baby didn't know how to pack a suitcase, because Eugenia had kind of done everything for her and not really let Baby do much on her own. Do you have a map? Said Stella. We could look at it together. I do not have a map, said Baby. She felt another pang of worry. Well, where are you going? Said Stella. Right now, said Baby. Right now, said Stella. I am headed to the train station, said Baby. I will walk with you, said Stella. She put her hand in Baby's hand. Okay? That would be lovely. At the train station, the ticket seller said, Headed where? Stella said, Her name is Baby Lincoln, and she is on a necessary journey. Uh-huh, said the ticket seller. Headed where? I'm not entirely certain, said Baby. The ticket seller was holding a cheese sandwich in both hands. His name tag said Lawrence. Lawrence looked at Baby. He looked at Stella. He sighed. He put the sandwich down on the counter. The cheese inside the sandwich was orange, and there were several thick slices on it. It looked delicious. Baby wished that she had thought to make herself a cheese sandwich before leaving home. At the train station to buy tickets for this necessary journey she's embarking upon. Lawrence reached out and picked up a leaflet from the display in front of him. Schedule, he said, handing it to Baby. Pick a destination. Thank you very much, said Baby. Let me see, said Stella. They stepped away from the ticket counter and Baby handed Stella the schedule. Oh, said Stella, it's a chart. I'm really good with math and charts. Last year, Mrs. Wilkinson said that I was a true math whiz. Has anyone ever called you a true math whiz, Baby Lincoln? Well, not that I can recall, said Baby. Eugenia was the sister who had a head for figures. Or at least that's what Eugenia said. Oh, again, there's Eugenia, always always not letting Baby do things or try things. And Eugenia said she was the one that was good in math. Who knows, friends, maybe Baby has a lot of talents that she doesn't even know she has because she's never really been able to do those things. Stella studied the schedule. How much money do you have, Baby Lincoln? You can go to Caliban Darsh if you have enough money. Doesn't Caliban Darsh sound like a good place? I have to look that up. I wonder if that's a real place or just a made-up place that the author created. Caliban Darsh sounded like a very grand place, a shooting star kind of place. Baby opened her purse and took out her wallet. She handed the wallet to Stella and watched as Stella counted the money inside. Okay, said Stella. She handed the wallet back to Baby. She consulted the train schedule. Let's see. It turned out that Baby didn't have enough money to go to Calibrandarsh. She had enough money to get to Fluxum. Fluxum, said Baby. Fluxum, said Stella. Fluxum did not sound like a shooting star kind of place at all. But Baby went bravely back to the ticket counter and spoke to Lawrence. She said, 1 ticket for Fluxum, please. And after that, there was no turning back. Baby boarded the train. Stella stood on the platform and waved goodbye. The train lurched forward. Baby watched Stella get smaller and smaller until finally she disappeared altogether. And then Baby Lincoln was alone on a train on a necessary journey. Friends, I'm still feeling like Baby Lincoln is uncertain about this journey. Yes, she's going, but I'm imagining she's feeling very alone, very scared, very nervous at this point. So tune in tomorrow and we'll see what happens as the train trip to Fluxum with Baby Lincoln continues. Until then, friends, make it a wonderful day.